I travel like I'm a very spontaneous person. I don't bring a lot of stuff. Okay, I just bring the necessities. Okay, I bring my phones because I need my phones to play Roblox and check emails and all that stuff. Call my daughter every day, text her every day, check up on her every day. Bring a couple of socks, a couple of pairs of socks, just one pair of shoes, flip-flops, shirts to change, pants, shorts. I just wear shorts because it's summer. Since it's summer, just shorts. If you want to hang out at night, you want to go to a bar or something, then yeah, you have to consider that they might have dress codes and you might have to get some long pants. But that's pretty much it. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I brought just one hat. Should have brought two. Charger. I got my 100-watt charger. Charges things very quick overnight. Boom. My camera and the cables. Lots of cables. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Passport. You're gonna need that. In terms of cash, I only bought like $100 US. Wasn't that much. Because I read online that you can pretty much get away with credit cards. And I'm not a big spender. I normally just buy stuff to eat. I don't drink. Just water and Coke, Sprite, stuff like that. Other than that, I'm good. So yeah, travel light. I'm a backpack traveler. I know how to what I have to do, and if all my clothes get dirty, I just go to a washer and just put them again. So yeah, pretty basic.